Hey there, it's your girl, Sarah, and today I'm here to share with you 4 amazing ways to avoid depression. Life can be tough sometimes, but remember, you're not alone. So let's dive right in. Number 1, self-care is key. Take some time out of your busy schedule to do things that bring you joy. It could be reading a book, practicing yoga, or simply enjoying a hot cup of tea. Remember, investing in yourself is never a waste of time. Number 2, connect with nature. Studies show that spending time in nature can have a positive impact on our mental well-being. So go for a walk in the park, hike in the mountains, or even just sit by the beach and soak in the calming sounds of waves. Mother Nature has incredible healing powers. Number 3, nourish your body and mind with healthy food. Eating a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can do wonders for your mental health. So whip up a delicious meal, try new recipes, and savor every bite. Good food equals a happy mood. And finally, number 4, surround yourself with positive people. Social connections are vital for our well-being. So reach out to your loved ones, spend quality time with friends who uplift you, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Remember, happiness is contagious. Remember me and follow me for more valuable content, and check the bio. Party Popper surprise gift for you. Bye.